A few years back, I was working on an MTV Unplugged special with Fleetwood Mac singer Stevie Nicks. Now, Stevie is a bluesy kind of singer with a style much like other great singers of rock, jazz, and pop music. In that style, she would hit a note slightly under pitch, which would cause tension between the notes played by the other instruments. But before letting it go, she would bring the note exactly to pitch. Much like watching a golfing putt, where the putter hits the ball, slowly goes across the green, and then drops in. The tension of not knowing the end result is part of our makeup. The joy comes from the resolution of that tension, either from the singer bringing the note to pitch or the golf ball falling into the hole. That phenomenon is a teaching tool for humans. The understanding of the connection between tension and joy is critical among children to learn patience, perseverance, and inspiration, as well as to raise each tense event to a higher level of tolerance. It's no wonder why we have two generations that have such a low tolerance for risk. Now, the young producer on that MTV date insisted that I take the portions where Stevie is under pitch and fix them, to shift them to the proper pitch standard. Going from, I want you to know, to, I want you to know, like taking a golf putt, hitting the ball, and having it drop right in the hole. Okay? Eliminating all tension and the subsequent joy of its resolution. Now, digital sampling of our analog world does exactly that. It quantizes in time, pitch, and dynamics to the next available marker, creating predictability and robbing from the performer the artistic nuances that make them original.